Hey, it's Eric from Orderlytics, and in this video we're going to do a demonstration on how you link up your Amazon FBA account into Orderlytics. So we're here on the fulfillment account page, and you'll see in the fulfillment option, the drop down, you'll see that Amazon FBA has been added to the pick list. So you just select that, and what you want to do is give it a unique name, and we'll just call it let's see, Amazon FBA. Let's see, I've already got one, so we'll just call this 2. And then you'll need to then enter in your Amazon AWS access key and secret key. And if you don't have those readily available or set up yet, you can go to get the Amazon AWS keys from this link here. And what that will do is it'll take you to this page, and it'll give you some instructions if you don't have an AWS account, how to set that up. If you already have an AWS account, you can then basically create your access keys. So what you'll follow these steps here, these 5 steps, and going through actually 11 steps once you get all the way through to download your keys. So you'll just go to the Identity Access Management Console page. I'm already logged into my account, but you might have to log in. And then what you want to do is create a user, and as you go through that process, it'll then assign permissions. So we'll go ahead and manage users. I've already got one here, but we'll go ahead and add another user. Let's call this one Eric at Orderlytics. And then what we'll do is programmatic access. We'll want to go ahead and just click on for access keys for your AWS API. That's what you need. And then you'll need to either create a new group if you don't have one, or assign it to an existing group. And what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be setting up these keys against Amazon S3 full access. That's the easiest method of doing that. So we'll go ahead and just add it to this existing group, but you might have to create one. Scroll down and hit next segment, and then we'll do is we've assigned them to that group. That group already had the AWS keys. If I wanted to go and create a new group, just to show that real quick, let's say we'll just say group 2, and then what you want to do is just do a search. Actually, you can't have a space there, but just do a search for S3, and you'll see Amazon S3 full access. Just hit that checkbox and create group. So what you've done is you've created a group and you've assigned a specific permission to it. All right, we'll just uncheck that one and hit next, and you'll see that now that I've assigned this username with this programmatic access, hit create user, and you'll see that now I've got the access key ID and I've got my secret key here that I can enter into that window. So what we'll do is we'll copy this, and we'll hop back over to Orderlytics, and we'll put that into the access key field. And then we'll hop back over here and we'll show that. We'll copy that and put the secret key in here. All right, so that's set up for your Amazon AWS keys, and so now you want to go get your merchant seller ID, and you can do that by logging into your Seller Essential account. And what I did here is I've got that already logged in, so I'm in my Amazon account. You just come over here to Settings, Integration Settings. This is the easiest place to find it, and you'll see your seller merchant ID is right here. And we'll go ahead and drop that in. All right, so those are the main identifiers you need to hook up your Amazon account. So the key thing is that then you want to these seller ID will be assigned to a specific marketplace. So in my case, I'm in United States, North America, but obviously you, depending on your location and where your inventory is at, you might be to any one of these marketplaces. So just make sure that you grab the appropriate seller ID for the specific marketplace that you're connecting to. Order message, this is like to be printed on any like packing slips or fulfillment slips. If you just want to have a generic message, you can just say thanks from your company name. All right, and then the shipping speed. This really is tied to how fast you want the products delivered to your end customers. Obviously, if you pick expedited or priority, it's going to come with some higher seller fees. So I just recommend doing standard shipping. Fulfillment action is the default method is usually within Amazon is ship. So once they get an order, automatically they will start processing the order into its shipping pipeline. But you could designate to hold that order, and then that would force you to go into Amazon Seller Central to invoke another action. So I would just recommend keeping this for ship. The fulfillment policy is set to do you want to fill or kill the order? So this is or fill all available. So these settings are based on what if you have a product SKU that's not currently available? What do you want to do? Do you want to, if they're all available, you fulfill the order. If a portion of the order is not available, then you kill it from the order, or you fulfill all or available. So there are some help text here. Here's some definitions that we've gotten that Amazon's provided us, but the default is the fill or kill, which basically is determine if it's unfulfillable before any shipment order moves to a pending status. If it's determined that it's unfulfillable, it will kill the entire order. All right. So what I typically do is just I'll do fill or kill, and then it'll give me an error message back within Orderlytics within the order, so that I know if there's a problem, I can then go chase that down. All right, and then the last setting is how do you want to notify your end customers once the shipping is complete and it's Amazon has moved it into the shipping. You can not choose to have Amazon notify your end customer. You can have them send them an email with the email and the tracking information and the shipping information. You can also email your end customer and yourself, or just yourself. So typically I just do the end customer and then hit save. And then you'll see that this now has come down in here into this bottom window, and it's active, and then you have options where you can edit it, change the status, or delete it. So once you've done that, you can then create the orders within Orderlytics by going to the product list, and when you're creating an order, or sorry, a new product, you can then select, you'll see that Amazon fulfillment is as an option down here, and that'll tie to your Amazon fulfillment when you're creating a new product. And in another video, we'll show you how to create the product. You'll also notice here is that once you've created the Amazon FBA linkage in the fulfillment account, you'll now see an Amazon inventory link in your account. You can now also get a status of your inventory. This is the same inventory that you get through Seller Central. We just, from an ease of use and convenience, we provide you the ability to pull in your inventory. So you just grab the specific account. If you want to check on specific product SKUs, you could dump them in here, or you could just use a specific date and hit enter. I'm going to get an error message on this one because I don't have anything connected to it, but what you would see here is a table that would drop in down here that would give you all your product SKUs, your inventory count, the current status of that inventory. So hopefully this video helps with the setup and configuration. If you don't have having problems or you have any questions, feel free to send me an intercom message by this blue icon down here, or post in the Orderlytics Facebook group. Thanks.